Hello everybody. Today we are going to speak about ergativity. What is ergativity? So, ergativity is the conjugation of the verb based on object of a sentence in the past tense with transitive verbs. Okay, so it means when we talk about ergativity in Kurmanji, it will be in past tense and with transitive verbs. Okay, so let's see some examples. Here, as you see, we have two sentences. First of them is "Men purdu khwand," which means I read the book. So the second one is "Men purdu khwanden," which means I read the books. So here the main difference between the sentences is, as you see, just conjugation of the verb. So when our object is singular, our verb also will be singular. Okay, it will not take any suffixes, but when it is plural it will take "n." Okay, as you see here, "Men purdu khwanden." The second one here, as you see, it is diten. Our verb is diten, to see. I gave an explanation. It says, and if you want to use the personal pronouns as an object, you have to add your personal endings to the verb. Okay, let's remember our personal endings. It was for as. It was e for you, singular. There was nothing for as third person singular. And for all plural pronouns, it is "n." E for third person, no, and for plural, "n." Okay. So, for example, here we say, if you want to say "I saw you," "men." Okay. Diten is a transitive verb, so we have to use oblique pronouns. That's why it is "men," and our object will be in absolute case. That's why it is "do." And dt. Okay, our present stem is did, but because of ergativity and because of you too, you have to add this e, second person personal endings e. "Men to dt," I saw you. For example, second one, "te as ditem." Okay, we said it is transitive and past, so it will be oblique pronouns. That's why it is "te as." Okay, it's absolute object, fine. Dit this is for first person personal endings. Okay, it is this one. Ta as ditem, you saw me. And we have "men au dit," because it is au, it is singular. Him, her. That's why there is nothing end of the dit. It is just past tense. And "men au diten," I saw them. "n" is plural for au. And "te diten," you saw us, again same "n." Okay, "Men tu diti," "te as ditem," "men au dit," "men au diten," "te diten." The other example is about "kushten," which means to kill, and here we will again use these personal pronouns as an object. So when we want to say "you killed me," "te as kushtem," this because of as, it is a first person ending, third person ending. "Te as kushtem." And second one, "Men tu kushti," I killed you. And "men au kusht," I killed him or her or it. Men au kusht. "Te au kusht," again just past tense stem, kusht. And for example, "te au kushten," you killed them. "Te au kushten," with plural personal endings, "n." And "men hun kushten," I killed you, plural. Okay. Bahtawar kırın, to make happy. So for example, if you want to say someone that you made me happy, it will be "te as bahtawar kırım." "Te as bahtawar kırım." Because bahtawar kırım is a transitive verb. You can make someone happy. yes, or something, someone. So من تو بختوار کری I made you happy. من او بختوار کر I made him her happy. من او بختوار کرن so plural او تا او بختوار کرن you made them happy. من هن بختوار کرن I made you happy. من هن بختوار کرن. So here, as you see, we have a part of exercises. If you want to make them, just stop the video and do it yourself, and then watch with me again. So here, our first example is من save da 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 da. So the speaker wants to say I ate the apples, many apples, right? So it will be our past tense stem is خوار. But when you want to use for plural object, you have to add this "n" for personal learning, right? So it will be من save خوارن, okay? من save خوارن. Or second one, من se zarok da da da. Okay, the speaker wants to say I saw 3 children, and as you see, se zarok is plural, 3 children. And here our verb is diten, past tense stem is did, but you have to add this plural ending "n", so you will say من se zarok diten, right? And third one is te shesh hamburger tadadant. Yes, te shesh hamburger tadadant. Yes. So we will say you wanted 6 hamburgers, right? You wanted 6 hamburgers. As you see, 6 hamburger is many hamburgers. So again, it will be with plural suffixes. So it will be te shesh hamburger khwasten. Okay, te shesh hamburger khwasten. Great. So the other one is we malik dadadant. Speaker wants to say he bought a house, right? We are speaking about one house. Malik is clear, a house. So we will say we malik kri. Yes. If it was we gallek mal, it would be krin. We gallek mal krin. Yes. Like he bought several houses, many houses. So, and the last one is we have the abori page product dadadant. And we want to say last week she read 5 books. 5 books. As you see, it's plural object, so we have to add plural ending to our verb. That's why it will be we have the abori page product khwanden. Right? Yes. Today is that much. It's enough. I got tired. So I will show you this note as a PDF, and just you have to go about the video and you will see. And I want to thank you to my patrons because they support me and I can continue to give these lessons. Thank you so much. So, and if you want to support me, just you can go to patrons.com and from my account, and you also can support me. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, any whatever you want, just you can ask me, okay? So have a good day and بخاطر